Hi friends, in this video I want to share the delicious and all-time favorite dish, that is potato stuffed bread. This is a North Indian dish. In North India it is called as aloo paratha. Aloo means potato, paratha means stuffed bread. Let's see how to prepare this aloo paratha. Take the sufficient amount of wheat flour, then add salt. In this stage, we have to add salt for two items. One is for this dough and another one is for the stuffing part. This is the stage for adding salt for the complete dish. After adding the salt, knead the dough well and keep it aside for 15 minutes. The dough needs the resting time. Meanwhile, I am going to prepare the stuffing portion. For this stuffing, boil the whole potatoes in the pressure pan like this. Don't cut and boil the potatoes. If you cut the potatoes and boil it, it will absorb the water content, then it will be difficult to make the bread. So don't cut the potatoes and also boil the potatoes well. Along with we need finely chopped onions, garlic cloves, green chilies. Then take a pan, add 1 tablespoon of oil. After heating up, put 1 tablespoon of cumin seeds and then add the chopped vegetables. Fry this for 1 minute. Then add the masalas. 1 teaspoon of red chili powder and 1 teaspoon of garam masala. After adding the masala, mix it well for 2 minutes. Then switch off the flame. And the final step is adding potatoes. Mash the potato with your hands like this. Then mix it properly with all together. Finally, the stuffing is completed. I didn't add the salt in the stuffing part. If you add salt, you won't get the consistency like this. Don't add salt in the stuffing part. That's all. The stuffing is now ready to fill the bread. Now it's time to knead the dough. The resting time is completed. Knead the dough once again for the smooth texture. And then take enough amount of dough in your hands and roll it into a ball. And then bring it into a small bowl shape with the help of your hands like this. After completing this, then fill the stuffing in the bowl. After completing this, close all the sides properly like this. Now spread it in a nice round shape. Using this dry flour, make the round shape. Dry flour helps to grease the bread. That's all. The bread is ready. If you follow 3 steps, you will get the proper bread like this. Let me remind you again. Add extra salt in the dough and knead the dough properly. Second one is don't cut the potatoes while boiling. And third one is don't add salt in the stuffing part. That's all. By following these 3 important steps, you will get the proper bread. Now the bread is almost completed. Apply oil on both the sides like this. Then it will be ready. For this bread, butter, curd, pickle are the best combination. This is very convenient to carry in the lunch box, especially for kids. And I have also made radish and cauliflower stuffed paratha too. Visit my channel and you will get a video of it. Now the potato stuffed paratha is ready to eat. I hope you all find this video very useful and informative. Thank you for watching this video.